So my topic is all about distinct features of nanoscale. So nanotechnology involves operating of very small dimensions, and it allows to scientists to make use of the exceptional optical, chemical, physical, mechanical, and biological qualities materials of that small scale. So what that mean? So ito yung mga things na maliit. So ginagamitan ito ng mga nanotechnology para makita kung ano yung like mga things na maliit. So there are three types of distinct features of nanoscale. So scale at which much biology occurs. So at the nanoscale, many biological processes happen, like how proteins, DNA, and cells interact. Like how how they interact each other. So there are examples. These pictures, they shows that this is a diagnostic tool that uses nanoparticles to see the small things and to detect very tiny amounts of disease markers like cancers or viruses. So for example, COVID-19 rapid test. So nag-use sila ng nanotech para makita nila yung mga viruses inside the mga things. Then second is scale at which quantum effects dominate. So the nanoscale of quantum effects is where rules of physics at tiny scales change how materials behave. Like ito, nag-change siya ng colors, how they interact. Pag mag-reflect siya ng light, it will they change their colors. Like for example, these pictures, nag-show siya ng like gold. Gold ito, they are normally gold. Then if mag-reflect siya sang light, they will change the colors. But at the nanoscale, gold particles can look red, purple, or other colors because their interaction with light changes. And third is larger surface area at nanoscale. So nanoparticles have much larger surface area compared to the same mass of bigger particles. So ito yung they much larger. Like for example, the battery technology. Ginayos natin ito pag wala nang effect yung ating mga things like at the nanoscale materials and lithium batteries allow faster and charging and longer life.
Good day everyone, praise be Jesus and Mary. So now let us talk all about the government programs supporting nanotechnology. The first one is the European Commission. The European Commission supports nanotechnology through the European Nanoelectronics Initiative or the ENIAC. It focuses on developing smaller and smarter electronic devices. Example of this is creating tiny computer brains or chips used in modern smartphones and computers. The second one is the Japan. Japan promotes research to improve materials and products using nanoscience. Example, developing lightweight and strong materials for cars and electronics. The third one is the Taiwan. Taiwan uses nanotechnology mainly in the semiconductor and electronic industry. Example, producing microchips that make gadgets faster and more efficient. The fourth one is the India. India supports nanotechnology for education, health, and environment improvement. Example, using nanofilters to clean polluted water in rural areas. The fifth one is China. China's research focuses on using nanotech for medicine and renewable energy. Example, developing nanosensors that can detect diseases early in the body. Next is Israel. Israel supports nanotech research for energy, defense, and materials science. Example, making nanocoatings that protect machines from heat and rust. The seventh one is Australia. Australia encourages nanotech use in healthcare and environment protection. Example, creating nanoparticles that remove toxins from water or soil. Next one is Canada. Canada focuses on nanotech in medicine and manufacturing. Canada has the National Institute for Nanotechnology, a research center where scientists work on new nanotech for medicine, energy, and materials. The next one is South Korea. South Korea invests in nanotechnology for electronics, robotics, and batteries. So in South Korea, runs the Korean National Nanotechnology Initiative, a program that pushes nanotech research to improve electronics and other industries. The next one is Thailand. Established the National Nanotechnology Center or Nanotech, which focuses on nanotech research for health, environment, and other industries. So in Thailand, uses nanotech in agriculture and textile production. Example, creating antibacterial clothing that stays clean longer. The last one is Malaysia. Malaysia applies nanotech to food, environment, and industry. In Malaysia, it implements the national nanotechnology initiatives to promote nanotech development, support local scientists, and grow their industries. So now, let us proceed to the possible applications of nanotechnology in the Philippines. The first one is ICT and semiconductors. The nanotechnology can make computers, phones, and other electronic devices smaller, faster, and more powerful. It helps improve the performance of chips and circuits used in gadgets. Example, creating microchips for smartphones or laptops that use less energy but work faster. The second one is food and agriculture. Nanotech can help improve crop growth, food quality, and food preservation. It can also make fertilizers and pesticides more effective. Example, using nanofertilizers that slowly release nutrients to plants or nano packaging that keeps food fresh longer. The third one is environment. Nanotechnology can be used to clean air, soil, and water. It helps remove harmful chemicals and waste from the environment. Example of this is making nanofilters that clean dirty water or nanomaterials that absorb oil spill in the ocean. The fourth one, health and medicine. Nanotech can help in diagnosing and treating diseases more accurately. It can deliver medicine directly to effective or affected cells in the body. Now, let us proceed to the Nanotech Roadmap for the Philippines, funded by DOST or DOST. Study 1, ICT and Semiconductors. So, the researchers of these are Dr. Emil Salvador, Dr. Roland Sarmago, and team. So, this research focuses on making smaller, faster, and more efficient electronic devices using nanotechnology. Example, developing nanochips that make computers and cell phones run faster with less power. And study 2, health and biomedical. So the researchers of this are Dr. Carlo Mar Blanca, Dr. Blisi Basilia, Dr. Cynthia Saloma, and others. So, works on medical uses of nanotechnology like improving medicine and diagnostics. Example, creating nanomedicine that targets specific diseases like cancer without harming healthy cells. Sa study 3, the energy. The researchers, Dr. Jim Minglana, Dr. Erwin, Dr. Jerry Noweska, and the team. So they aim to make better and cleaner energy sources using nanomaterials. Example, they are producing nano batteries that last longer or yung mga solar panels that absorb more sunlight. In study 4, the environment, the researchers are Dr. Fabian Deirit, Dr. Christian Benag, and others. So they focuses on using nanotech to protect and clean the environment. Example, making nanofilters to remove dirt and toxins from water and air. Hmm. Study 5, Agriculture and Food. The researchers are Dr. Milagros Peralta, Dr. Fortune Sevilla, Dr. Antonio Laurena. So they works on improving food safety, crop growth, and preservation through nanotechnology. Example, they are using nanofertilizers to help plants grow healthier or nano-packaging to keep food fresh longer. So, in the study 6 is health and environmental risk. The researchers of this is Dr. Floreda Carreño. I mean, studies the possible dangers or side effects on nanotechnology to humans and the environment. Example, checking if nanoparticles in products rather are safe to use or breathe in. Sa study 7, the nanometrology researcher Dr. Erwin Enriquez. So he focuses on measuring and testing nanomaterials accurately. Example, using special tools to measure particles smaller than a strand of hair.
So this is the benefits and concerns of the application of nanotechnology. The example of areas affected by nanotechnology, possible benefits and concerns.